Hello, if you enjoy or benefit from this video, please click like, subscribe, and add notifications below. Hello and welcome to my channel. Here in this video, we had just gotten off this really cool duck boat, which is actually able to drive on land, and then it goes down a boat launch into the water, and we got to drive around for an hour and see some really cool stuff in the San Diego harbor. There was lots of seals kind of hanging out, having a good time. Beautiful boats, beautiful buildings, beautiful homes all along the shoreline. Lots of Navy vehicles. San Diego naval base is really close to here, so this is great. So I'd never been and never seen a ramp, portable lift like this before. This is the first time I actually saw one be able to be portable and pull right up against the duck boat, lift me up. Looked like just a manual hand crank, which is pretty easy for the guy. And you can see right here, they just unlock the brake and it rolls away. So it's balanced really cool little thing, great for accessibility, and it was an opportunity I won't forget. Really enjoyed it. Hope you get a chance to do it sometime yourself. Thank you.